Hi, Bree. Finally, you're here. Do you want meatballs? They're delicious. And made specially for New Year.
No thanks, I'll take cookies instead. Anyways, are you so excited? 2022 is going to be the best year ever. I can't wait. Anyways, maybe we can book a trip to Hawaii together. I hope COVID's really ending, because then if we do that, we'd have the most fun of our lives. What do you think? Oh, what else should we do? We can maybe go on a cruise ship, and we could get lots of donuts from Tim Hortons this year.
No, there is no way I am going to Russia this year. It's literally still COVID.
Yeah, but I heard that they would drown you in your toilets and then put you in a bunch of cages. And I heard that Russian talking was really, really, really weird. But I still want to learn it, and I want to go there to see all
I'm 100% sure Russians do not drown you in your toilets. And oh my gosh!
I'm learning! Yo.
Welcome. The countdown is starting. Get over it. Okay.
Run.
I finally finished doing all of the Christmas lights. I'm so excited for 2022. I hope my friends will like it. We'll have so much fun together, and we'll get to embrace it with a party! Oh wait, the phone is ringing. I better go get it. Hello? Wait, you can't make it? No, wait, no, really, it's fine. My New Year is gonna be horrible. It's 2022, and I'm alone, and there's nobody that cares about me.
Since it's New Year's, can I please stay up?
Please.
Let's work.
Thinking. Fine, but only because it's New Year's.
I'm tired. Well, it's only 7 p.m., so I'm guessing I can go to sleep and wake up in time for New Year's.
Wake up! Seriously, it's New Year's. You're gonna miss it. You can't miss New Year's.
Alright, fine, I'm up. What's the hurry? Is it 2020 yet? I've been trying to sleep.
Oh, so that's where you've been for the last year. Girl, it's 2022.
It's 2022? Okay. I'm leaving. Goodbye.
You're arrested for not following mask protocols and COVID-19 guidelines.
Wait, what's with all these mask protocols and stuff? What's COVID-19?